Vice President JD Vance is facing backlash after old tweets about Jeffrey Epstein resurfaced, revealing a stark contrast between his past and present stance. During the Biden administration, Vance questioned the government's silence on Epstein's alleged connections to powerful individuals, hinting at a possible cover-up. Vance's tweets from 2021 expressed frustration about the lack of information on Epstein's clients and the mysterious circumstances surrounding his death, after a recent Department of Justice and FBI memo stated there's no incriminating client list. Vance accepted the findings and defended Trump's handling of the case, saying Donald Trump didn't do anything wrong with Jeffrey Epstein. The U-turn. Many are left wondering what prompted Vance's shift, with some calling him out on social media for his apparent change in stance. Trump's administration has also shown a desire to move past the Epstein topic, with the president himself dismissing discussions about it. Key questions: what changed Vance's mind about the Epstein case? Why is Vance now defending Trump's administration regarding Epstein? What's behind the apparent silence on the Epstein case from those who once demanded answers?